Hello vlog. This is an Illinois vlog. I didn't vlog much, so I'm just gonna let you guys know that this is a travel vlog and this is us going to Illinois, and then right now we're on our way back, so enjoy the video. Bye.
Leave all the shit in the car, just run. I gotta grab the box. Squad, assemble. Alright, let's get going. Run! Let's go. We gotta go. It's almost 12. Guys, it's New Year's. It's New Year's. It's New Year's. Oh my gosh. Go. I'm trying. Oh, here. Bro, they just closed the door on us. Where's the hype?
They said enough of those shenanigans.
Guys, come on, we got you guys horns too. The way they're just chasing you around. Hello. Happy New Year's. You look so...
Hello vlog. It's January 1st, 2025. It's my first time saying it, and I'm here with Kronk. Say hello. Sleepy boy. Happy New Year, everybody. See you guys in this new year with all these vlogs. Bye.
Okay guys, so we are going to Walmart now. I literally look like I sled dogs for a living.
She looks like ex-coded. If you know, you know.
I don't even know what that means. So, we're going to Walmart now. Guys, so there was a ladybug in our room last night in the bathroom, and Lucas was swabbing it. So, I'm literally swabbing it as in scooping it. I don't know what swabbing.
I was trying to get it out of this.
But basically, like, so the ladybug passed away last night because I put it in the window thing so that it could try to get out, and it just froze to death, I think. And so we buried it next to this tree. And we named it Bogey. Well, it was Buggy, but then Lucas said, "You named it Bogey before you buried it?" So now its name is Bogey. And yeah, that's our pet ladybug that just passed away. Lucas was talking about the life expectancy of it. It doesn't matter. Guys, all lives matter. This is that's where Bogey is buried. Right there. At that tree, right under the tree. Alright guys, now we're going to Walmart to get Lucas some shoes.
Boogie went to Noble Cause. It's just boy.
Hi vlog. So Lucas and I are at this place called Juniper?
Jupiter's, like the planet.
Oh. And we're looking, it's like an arcade place. I just wanted to show you guys. We're just gonna have fun, so. Guys, look. I won!
Go again.
Okay, he won. But it was literally by like
Tiebreaker.
0.1 second.
Tiebreaker now. Tiebreaker.
Okay.
In 28 seconds, but it was down to the millisecond.
And I won. Again, I'm the ultimate champion at the biking, guys. Don't play with me. Yeah, I did. I took part. Alright, let's
go
play.
get more credits, and then.
Guys, we're going roller skating. Go hit the wheels. He's scared, guys. This is our first time roller skating together.
So far. first Illinois snow. I don't know if you can see it.
Look up, look up.
She's happy.
Look up.
Oh, you can kind of see it. It's getting the light.
You can see the snowflakes.
Oh, look. That looks good.
Woo! Snow day.
Wait here. She's gonna come.
Wow.
Oh, I'm not from Illinois anymore.
This is more rain than it is
But
beautiful green
it's
lights.
easier for me to turn in.
Those
without-
green lights.
Yeah, but they're helpful.
Well, I'm gonna put.
You should make.
Good morning vlog. I know I haven't been vlogging much, so let me sit down for a moment. We're gonna try and see if his sister can come down and stay the night with us here, because his brother is here, and so we're trying to see if everyone can come and we can all just hang out and spend some time together, since we don't have that much time this time around, because Lucas was sick earlier, so we haven't been able to have as much time as we'd like, but obviously we want him to get better before we even go on the trip. And so yeah, we're here, guys. We made it, and then tomorrow we're having a surprise graduation moment. We're gonna decorate cakes for them, even though they're like already eaten. We're also doing Secret Santa, so that's gonna be fun, and I'm excited for that. I'm not gonna tell you like that. And then I got his grandma something, which is wonderful because her Secret Santa actually did end up flying over here. That's so funny. Sounds like the Tooth Fairy or something. Okay, bye. I'm about to eat some food and read my book. I'm reading a Christmas book, even though Christmas is over. I'm gonna go get my water bottle, and it's that. See you guys in a jiffy. See you guys later today. We're gonna go see a chinchilla or something. Bye.
Hi vlog. So we are at Walmart and we're about to get a Secret Santa for their grandpa. So we're about to do some shopping. And Lucas got a suit on.
Tracksuit.
Okay.
Like central seat.
What does that even mean? Okay, bye. See some dancing moment. Guys, it's a break dancing moment.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So we're doing. I almost said Thanksgiving. Why do I keep doing this? We're having like a family Christmas moment, even though it's past New Year's and everything. But so we're gonna be doing like Secret Santa, and then we're gonna do a little celebration for Lucas and his sister Zoe. We're gonna be doing like a good job, like, because they're both about to get their diplomas, like GED or diploma, so that's gonna be fun. We wrote on a cake and it looks adorable. Let's just say that. It was very creative. It had like hearts and like dots, smiley faces and stuff like that. But
I'm gonna take this one because
I'll take a picture or record a video of it before we cut it. And I just farted, so bye.
and out. But, yeah. I thought it was gonna flame.
Just like farming.
That's only
I don't want it to.
You don't want it.
Oh, okay. Well.
Then we all run and call the fire department.
Okay. Okay. That's why they were coming. They wanted to watch it from. She's getting a picture. Getting a video.
Look, it's snowing. Look at all the snow.
Hello vlog. So we're snowed out, so we got a hotel and there's a huge blizzard. Okay guys, you wanna see our palace? Oh, okay. Thank you. Wow. Bougie. Oh, okay, I'm gonna set everything. Yeah. This is my first real voiceover, so I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but I just wanted to take the moment to say that if something's happening and it's not as perfect as you want it to be, just take it as an adventure. And I wanted an adventure, and I definitely got one. I know we weren't expecting to get caught up in the blizzard, but we're making the best out of it. Like, we got games to play. We ate at Denny's, and they thought we stole a meal. Like, it's just about, like, living and just enjoying where you're at and not just rushing everything and just appreciating where you are. And it's just lovely, it really is.
It's not going down, y'all. Oh, it's going down.
You happy, Ash?
Here, I'll hold the bag. Guys, we're gonna go to Applebee's. He said I can have anything I want. I'm not really getting Applebee's before. It's beginning to look like past Christmas everywhere. Guys, this is our first past Christmas. This is our first snow together. It all lies. This is what the cars are looking like now. It's a bit brutal out here.
Thank you for watching the vlog. We hope to see you guys next Monday. I'm gonna try and be as consistent as I can with posting this year, hopefully, because I actually was doing really good for the last like couple months, and school really helped motivate me and had me do it where I edit on Sundays and post on Mondays. So I'm gonna try and keep that in my day-to-day weekly routine. So I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna try and make a podcast this year because I want to be able to just like post what I want and stuff, and really just post stuff to be able to like share with family and like have memories. Bye guys. I'm not gonna wake up anymore. Bye.